And the thing. Sandwiching, you're in the right genre. Think food. Not sandwich. He said sandwich, not burger. It's empty in the middle. It's not filled in the middle. Donut. Cracked. Well cracked. Okay. Who's India's local FM network? Correct. Just look around. My FM. Okay. Which was India's first private Radio City Bangalore. Great. You're cracking a lot. Good. Okay. Programs broadcast across more than one medium. Oh, we done this. Sorry. Okay. OA 104 Meow. You studied for this? Sorry, this is a test one we used to check the things, not the actual Delhi. You know, there's been some cut paste. And he's doing more cut pasting. Worst horror for a content provider is if you give away unused questions by mistake. Better to repeat some.
There are 4 teams now. They've been like crying, please don't start. Give us 10 minutes wait. So they'll always start at this. Medicine's office is here, no? Medicine.
Sorry?
Medicine's office close by. Okay?
Which one?
How many are half teams here? Only one. You can manage. There, one of the 3 has arrived. 2 of the 3 have arrived. Great. Come up in front. Leave a gap and sit.
So now at least you know that there were genuine calls being made for people still coming in.
No, leave a gap and sit.
And you really don't mind getting to know all the Delhi questions, do you?
Okay.
Good fun.
Protect the sites, no. Stop the scribbling. You could actually scribble online instead of scribbling live. Okay. Who founded Pinstorm? Mahesh Murthy. Copper quizzers know this. Is there one more to this?
No, this
This
is a
is it.
question.
Of course, priceless.com.
MasterCard, okay.
Wow. I know there's a lot of buzz around that time. What is Ganguly doing? Right? It should have been asked in this city. Anyway. Great. They're cracking all of these. This is the buzz around. Okay? What word has been blanked out? मैं हूँ दिल्ली का दिल हूँ नहीं दिल्ली का दिल नहीं हिंट मूवी टाइटल क्या शहजादे नहीं starts with the D Dabang. Young and Rubicon. Bang on. What has been blanked out? Think further. Absolute mannequin ke jagah absolute something. It's a city. It's a city or a country? City. Brussels, obviously. You're working as a team across. Bangalore-based company, now part of the Ray and Keshavan. Beautiful. The Ray part is Calcutta. Ram Ray. Media planning software company shares its name with a fictional country in the Chronicles of Narnia. No? No hints? Come on, Vijay, hint. Unhintable. I don't know either, so I'll have to just look and tell you. Telmar, okay.
I think that's the end.
End.
Okay. All right. So that you get your gray cells really going, I'm going to give you a tough one. What is the longest English word you can create with the alphabets of media quotient? MEDIA QUOTIENT. Obviously, the prize goes to the one who has almost a 17-letter word or the maximum possible. All right? And I'm giving a prize on this one. Whoever gives the longest English word with the letters MEDIA QUOTIENT. Quotient, obviously you have to beat. So quotient is QUOTIENT. That's 8. Obviously you have to create a word which is higher than 8 letters. You can do that in air-conditioned comfort, and at 7:30 we will start. Okay, good. MEDI, meditate. You got 2 T's in meditation. There's only 1 T there. Oh, yeah, correct. M-E, meditate. T-I-O-N. He's right. M-E-D, meditate. It's going to him. No. You can still beat it. There's something even higher. Amit, checking everybody in? Abdullah, everybody in? But actually there might be a longer word. Sure? The first prize for today's quiz. Congratulations. And don't worry, there will be more audience prizes, etc. to be won. Thank you for being patient. I apologize again that we had to do this, but I hope that we've been able to keep you entertained while waiting for the latecomers who are inventing traffic and inventing work. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll now get the quiz started. If you're a team, please come up forward. Abdullah, up to you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Amar Ujala Media Quiz 2012. What's your media quotient? This is an initiative by Exchange for Media. A little words about Exchange for Media. Exchange for Media is India's largest special interest publishing company and the leader in the media advertising and marketing space. The group's portfolio comprises the flagship online property exchangeformedia.com and a Hindi news portal samacharformedia.com, a weekly media advertising magazine called Impact, and a monthly marketing magazine Pitch, and its online portal pitchernet.com, and also events covering every vertical within the advertising and media domains. The group also publishes titles in the franchising and realty domains, titled Franchise Plus and Realty Plus respectively. So this is the 4th edition of the media quiz. The quiz is based on media and advertising, which creates an extremely powerful platform for the quizzes from the media agency background as well as the corporate brands to participate and demonstrate their inherent talents. Amar Ujala MQ 2012 is a 4-city quiz which kick-started in Delhi. And this evening quiz is in Kolkata, as you know. It goes to Bangalore on 27th, and the Mumbai would witness the Mumbai regional round, and the grand finale. Regional winner from every city would be flown down to Mumbai to participate in the grand finale on June 29th. Now, as a courtesy, of course, the quiz masters have requested also that quiz participants and delegates, please ensure your mobile phones are not silent but switched off modes, because our quiz masters, somebody during the process of the quiz, somebody can Google the answers. So that's a request. Now I'd like to invite Mr. Sumit Roy, as he has been conducting this media quiz for the last 3 years. I just request him to share a few words how his